Tamales. Cornbread dough stuffed with filling and steamed in wrapping. A main dish from Belize. You will need 4
Serves 2.
ingredients. Step 1. Separate ounces of the corn to use for gravy. Mix remaining portion of corn with water. Add lard and salt to taste. This is best mixed with hands. Put on slow fire and stir continuously
Step 2.
until thick. Cut up chicken or pork into small pieces. Season well with some salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and sweet pepper. Simmer meat for 10 minutes in some water. Separate meat from water. Mix
Step
the 10-ounce
3.
portion of
Cut
corn
up
with
tomatoes,
red recardo
green peas,
and add to water.
cabbage, sweet
Cook
pepper,
on slow
and
fire
onion
until
and mix
moderately
together.
thick. Step 4. Use either plantain leaf or foil to wrap. Get some plantain leaves and singe over fire. Then wipe off with a cloth and cut away from center stalk. Tear leaves into the size you wish the tamales to be.
Step 5.
Put corn mixture on plantain leaf or foil and add a piece of meat and some gravy mixture and vegetable mixture. Fold leaves by folding over one side first, then the other, then the two ends to be doubled over.
Step 6.
Prepare a pot by putting a rack on the bottom high enough to raise tamales above the water level or about 4 inches high. Put in tamales to steam for about 2 hours or until properly cooked. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.